Hello everybody, I want to show this video. You can take a screenshot with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So first of all, one opportunity is to use the power button and the volume down button. If you press these both buttons, you will have a screenshot. One more time, the power button and the volume down button for the same time, and you will have a screenshot as you can see here. Okay, the second method is if you scroll down, going to the shortcuts, scroll down a second time, you have here also the opportunity to take a screenshot, and you have a screenshot. Very famous at Huawei is to use the knuckle. If you tap on the screen twice, you will have a screenshot as well. Okay, and there's something else with the knuckle. If you want to have just a part, then knuck, make a circle or another, then you have here the screenshot as well, and then you could put it as you want, maybe as your heart and so on. Go on save, and you will have it saved as a screenshot. Okay, you will find the pictures after at the gallery, and you have it here on the photos, or down here you have on the albums your own category here with the screenshots, and you have all the screenshots you did, also our heart. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested or not. Might just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.